everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 951 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have these Kiss and Smink lip crayon pens to try out. And I was actually able to redeem points on Ipsy last month and get 2 shades of the lip crayon. So the brand Kiss and Smink is new to me and I love trying out new makeup brands. I was able to get this in the shade Taraua and Marietas. So when I was looking these up online, it looks like they retail for $20 each. So $40 worth of makeup right here that I was able to get for free from redeeming my points on Ipsy. These are really cute. I like the packaging. It's a beautiful shade of blue. I'm really excited to do a lip look using both of the shades, but before I do that, I am going to swatch them. And these are big. See, it twists up, right? Does it? Oh yeah, it's got a built-in sharpener at the bottom. I love that. But then you just twist the top and the product comes up that way. So swatching first, Taraua. And ooh, that is creamy. That is a beautiful nude shade. I love that. And then I'll swatch Marietas. Ooh, love that shade as well. Also kind of in the nude family, but a little bit more red pink. Ooh, these shades look really good together and I love each of them. So excited about this. Here are those swatches. Great pigment, such a creamy formula. And there's more shades of this lip crayon available on the Kiss and Smink website. But so what I'm gonna do is start out by taking the shade Taraua and I'm going to line my lips in it. This is a really nice lip line color because it matches my natural lip color pretty closely. Like you can't even really see much of a shade difference, which makes this great for really perfecting the line of my lips, and also can be good if I want to overline a little bit, which I like to do on my top lip. So then it just looks really natural when I'm overlining with this. But I'm so excited. I absolutely love this shade. I love a Your Lips But Better shade, and this is definitely that. And now I'm gonna pick up the shade Marietas and fill in my lips. It's so creamy, so it's so easy to fill in my entire lips. Yeah, it's a super hydrating formula, which I need because, like I always say, I have very dry lips. Such a perfect color combination. Oh, it looks so flattering. I love this shade. I love both shades. I keep saying that. They're just so wearable for year-round, any makeup look. And those are the best types of shades to have in your collection because you can't go wrong with them. I'm actually gonna go back into Taraua and add a little bit of ombre. So since this is the lighter shade, I'm going to apply a little bit into the center of my lips to give more of that pouty illusion. Ooh, perfect. I'm so glad I picked up both shades because they are so perfect together. Like, it's a subtle ombre lip, but it really does help my lips just look a little bit more plumped up. So as much as I love the colors here, I also love the formula. Such full pigment and so hydrating. My lips look so enhanced. They're completely hydrated. This has the texture of a lip balm. It also kind of has the finish of a lip balm as well. So it's not too matte, it's not super shiny, it's that creamy finish to it, which I love and is so comfortable. But yeah, there's full opaque color, but so much hydration. So it's the perfect lip liner, a lipstick in one. I love these. I'm just gonna do a kiss test because I'm curious how the transfer is. Yeah, so that's about how much transfer I would expect because it is such a creamy formula. And that did make it fade from the transfer, but it's a very travel friendly, quick and easy to reapply type of product. And so this is the type of product that I would make sure to bring with me if I was going somewhere and I need to touch up my lipstick, especially after eating and drinking. This would not make it through eating and drinking for me. But I just love the hydrated feel that it's left on my lips even after transfer. I just know that this is super hydrating. It's basically like I applied a lip balm and hydrated my lips that way, but it's got that full pigmented color and it's super enhancing to my lips. So it's just so nice. So glad that I got both of these because I could definitely see myself, of course, wearing both of them together because I love the combo, but also I would wear each shade individually. And since I love the formula so much, I'm so glad I have two of these. And I would highly recommend them if you see them as an option on Ipsy or if you decide to purchase them on the Kiss and Smink website. I'm very happy with these. And if you have tried them, let me know what you think of them in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.